Hello, Clearborough, North Dallas. 2020 C8 Corvette, torch red with the carbon flash stripes, full XPEL Ultimate Plus wrap, full body, full plastics, and a ceramic coating by Fine Labs put over the top of the bra for that extra protection and gloss. I'll go around this car real quick, and still seeing quite a few bras out there on cars where these edges, none of these are getting wrapped. I don't know why people would not want an edge wrapped, especially in the hood area, because I just saw two vets done by recent shops where they didn't wrap this hood or the bumper here. But I guess to each their own. But on this, all the edges get wrapped. On this hood, the fender, all that's being wrapped in. Coming up on the mirrors, nice and seamless. Coming up on our A-pillars, all wrapped around. Our rooftop, fully wrapped around. Just like I do, I take them off and wrap all the edges. And then our doors and quarters coming into the gas cap, all wrapped inside. Gas cap fully wrapped. Rear deck lid fully wrapped in. Coming into the bumpers in the back. Emblems removed, so there's no cutouts around it. And same thing on this side. So a nice clean wrap performed on this C8. I'll go over the bronze one here in a minute as well. But that's it for the red one. And then we topped it off, like I said, with the Fine Labs ceramic. Put it on really thick, so we can get some extra time out of this. And the badge up here obviously was removed and put back in place so that there is no line around that. So it's a nice seamless install. Ultimately, you don't want any edges. It's just problematic for lifting later on from high pressure and wiping and towels and things like that. If you can have every edge wrapped on the car, you will get the optimum amount of time out of that installation. So there you go, full wrap on this red. I love the red. Torch red is the color, man. 2020 C8. So there you go. If you have any questions about your C8 or any car you have that you want wrapped, you can get a hold of me at clearboroughnorthdallas.com or our number 940-703-8301. Thank you for watching.